Good morning, students. Myself, Pawar Manisha from KJ Somaya College, Kopargaon. Today, we have to discuss the second chapter of the CHO 451, that is an advanced synthetic organic chemistry. In that section, we have to discuss the second chapter, that is a ring formation reaction. In that ring formation reaction, first of all, we have to see Netzero cyclization reaction. So, in Netzero cyclization reaction, see here, this is the general reaction. This is the divinyl ketone in presence of Lewis acid or protic acid, formation of the cyclopentanone derivative. So, we have to discuss the introduction related to the Netzero cyclization reaction. Netzero cyclization reaction involves the activation of divinyl ketone using stoichiometric Lewis acid or protic acid. So, in that reaction mechanism involves the cationic 4-pi electrocyclic ring closure, which forms the cyclopentanone product. So, this is the important thing for in that reaction mechanism. Cationic 4-pi electrocyclic ring closure, which forms the final product, that is a cyclopentanone product. So, this reaction also carried out by using the variant involving substance other than divinyl ketone and promoters like a Lewis acid or protic acid, and again formation of the Netzero cyclization product. This is the introduction related to the Netzero cyclization reaction. Next, this is the Netzero cyclization reaction mechanism here. Okay, so what is the Netzero cyclization reaction? It is an acid catalyzed electrocyclic formation of cyclopentanone from or by using divinyl ketone. Okay, so this is the divinyl ketone in presence of H plus, formation of the cyclopentanone derivative. Okay, so why it is called as a divinyl ketone? Because of the presence of the carbon-carbon double bond with respect to carbonyl functional group. That's why it is called as a divinyl ketone, and here presence of the cyclopentanone derivative. See the mechanism related to the Netzero cyclization reaction. Here, this is the divinyl ketone. So, this divinyl ketone having carbonyl functional group having non-bonding electron pair. Okay, so lone pair of oxygen can abstract this acidic proton in presence of the Lewis acid, formation of the here OH plus. Okay, oxygen carries here positive charge because of the increase the valency of oxygen atom. So that's why oxygen carries positive charge. Again, in next step, this intermediate, so this carbon-carbon double bond can shift here. This bond shifts on this oxygen atom or stabilize the positive charge over the oxygen atom. In next step, formation of the this intermediate. So this bond shifts here. That's why this carbon carries positive charge and formation of the OH. In next step, this carbon carries also the positive charge. So this carbocation can be stabilized by using this carbon-carbon double bond or this by using the pi bond. So formation of the cyclopentane ring, and at that time here again formation of the carbocation. Why? Because of this pi bond can be used for the ring formation or stabilize the positive charge over the carbon atom. That's why this carbon carries again positive charge. Okay, so we have to see this intermediate. Okay, so formation of the cyclopentane ring. Okay, and this carbon also carries the positive charge. So this carbocation can stabilize by using this hydrogen. This hydrogen, again formation of the carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, see here, by using this hydrogen, formation of the carbon-carbon double bond. In next step, this intermediate is carried out the tautomerism in presence of Lewis acid So this OH bond can be shifts here, formation of the here again carbonyl. At that time this carbon carbon double bond shifts on this carbon, again this carbon carbon carries negative charge. Okay, so this negative charge carry this H plus and formation of the or stabilize the carbocation. Okay, again formation of the this final product, that is a cyclopentane derivative. This is your the final product of that Nazarov cyclization reaction. So in that in that final product, presence of the carbon carbon double bond with respect to carbonyl functional group. Okay, so this is the example related to the Nazarov cyclization reaction. This is your own practice. Okay, see here, this is the 3 examples for your practice. In each example, here presence of the divinyl ketone, here again presence of the divinyl ketone, and also here again presence of the divinyl ketone. All 3 examples are carried out in H plus and H plus. Solve these examples for your own practice. Okay, so next the summary related to the Nazarov cyclization reaction. Okay, also the Nazarov cyclization is acid catalyzed electrocyclic formation of the cyclopentanone derivative by using the divinyl ketone. Okay, this is the general reaction. This is divinyl ketone in presence of H plus and formation of the cyclopentanone derivative. The mechanism related to the again cyclopentane ring, lone pair of oxygen abstract this acidic proton, formation of the OH plus. Again this OH plus can stabilize by using this carbon carbon double bond. At that time this double bond shifts here, again stabilize the positive charge over the oxygen atom. So here again formation of the carbon carbon double bond, but this carbon carries positive charge. Okay, in next step simply this carbocation can stabilize by using this pi bond, so formation of the cyclopentane ring, and at that time this carbon carries also positive charge. Okay, so by using this hydrogen stabilize the positive charge over the oxygen atom, so formation of this cyclopentanone intermediate. So in simply final step tautomerism takes place. This OH bond can be shifts here, formation of the carbonyl. At that time this carbon carbon double bond shifts here, formation of the carbanion, and this carbanion can abstract this acidic proton and formation of the final product, that is a cyclopentanone derivative. Okay, this is related to the Nazarov cyclization reaction. Okay, why it is called as a ring formation reaction? Because of the here no ring formation. Okay, but in final product we have to give the ring formation, that is a cyclopentanone ring. And also important for your these examples for your practice. Thank you.